That was Avalon by Blue Gazer. The Cynic Project. The WRAY. What's up, traders? Welcome to episode 408 of the show. Could be doing anything, but you're here on a Thursday night, and we know about Thursday nights, Patreon night. So what I'm going to do is just hop into that Patreon chat, voice chat. Got a few of us here. What's up, Jeff? What's up, 1G Project? Phil? Rami?
Hey, what's up, man?
Evening, though.
So we're just hanging out tonight, you know. Put in the woodwork today with the Ethereum video, the live stream, and exercise and stuff like that. So I'm just like I'm going, man. I'm just continuing to push. Gotta dig deep. Gotta dig deep, right? When you don't feel like there's anything left, dig deeper. Paul Bear Bryant? Heck yeah, man. Alright, so Patreon night, we got, about 4 requests we're going to look at before everyone else, but just IOST, AXL, JBH, and ONT. But then, other than that, we're good. So I think Phil said he was drinking tonight. Is that true, Phil, man?
Correct.
Oh, buddy, man.
Probes is too.
Probes is also drinking. Oh my god, man. Oh, there you go. Do the light summons work, Uden? Let me see if I can get it working. Last time I turned it on, this is why I haven't been messing with it. Just been turning. It's like saying Twitch is disconnected. See, it says Twitch is disconnected. Let me see if I can reset it real quick. Oh, excuse me. Hold on, y'all give me a sec. Let's see. I don't know where this setting would be. Twitch. I don't know. So I guess not, dude. I can't. I'll figure it out like at some point. But dude, it's just not working right now. Okay, so sorry, man. I'll get it by tomorrow. It stopped working when I went out of town and came back. I don't know why. So I'm just going back to my favorite at night, the blue. It's nighttime, so it's chill. Kind of keeps me a little bit awake, whatever, while I'm doing this stream. So okay, so we're just getting to it. IOTA double bottom on the daily time scale. Not a joke, man. Bullish divergence, both oscillators we talked about in the day stream. We talked about it before this. Talked about it long before we broke the upside, long before we hit the neckline of the double bottom, which is at 382 from the high point to low point. And what do we do? 786 retrace, where we double bottomed from your low point to high point. So coinciding variables. Make sure my audio. Okay, my audio seems okay. I still want to be too loud, man. Gosh dang it, man. Okay, I think we're okay. So look, man, swing trading is all about the coinciding variables. You've heard this like a broken record, but if there are new people in here, maybe they don't know about it. All right, so you couldn't ask for really anything better than IOTA. It had more coinciding variables than many others. Okay, and it's just beautiful. So we pay homage to it, and if we're able to break this neckline, which we are failing right now, it seems, right? We're kind of selling off a little bit at that 200-day moving average. If we can break that, a measured move of the pattern puts you at 8,778. The 618. From the high point to low point, that's your retrace, and that's the target. So see if we can get there, man. Time will tell. We take our positions, and we wait on all the divergence, all the coinciding variables to play out, and it manifests into higher prices. Pretty cool, man, right?
Would you call that a inverse head and shoulders on the smaller time frame?
Oh,
Like under
I can see what you're talking about. Maybe.
Yeah.
This looks like a nice double bottom on the 4 hour, but yeah. One could definitely argue that was some sort of right? It's pretty sick, man, right? I mean, it looks like people definitely interpreted it that way with these wicks, man. But you can see the wicks were much lower, so that could have been like a stop out, right? But if that's the case, if it's inverse head and shoulders, man, she's looking at like this, I believe. Well, it's really like that. Dang, it's almost like a perfect. It's almost like not even slanted, right? Excuse me. I gotta do all this real quick. Sorry, it's like I'm changing the visibility. It's annoying and tedious. Okay. Alright, yep, so we broke out and we're kind of back testing now. Actually kind of falling below the neckline right now. Oof. So if you back test, hey, maybe people get the opportunity to run again. But yeah, Phil, very good point. It was a double bottom, inverse head and shoulders. Seems like they've been bamboozled, man. It's like the Bungaloo, man. Bungaloo 2.0, IOTA, I don't know, man. It's like a super combo pattern, right? Crazy, man. Awesome. All right, so it's so much louder with my headphones on, the music. So anyway, others could just argue, man, it's a triangle. Okay, whatever, man. Inverse head and shoulders is perfect, dude. So great stuff, man. And that's how you interpret the markets, man. And really on a low, and then the same low right here, you had bullish divergence, right, for liftoff. We got it. Let's see if we can hold. Got to stay above 7,777 sats. Got to, man. All right. So anyway, that's it on the topic at hand for the evening. Right, IOTA. You saw the thumbnail and all that stuff. All right, cool, dude. So let's go to Bitcoin, and then we'll get to everything else. Man, a lot of these cryptos doing things, man. It's just beautiful. Freaking beautiful. ONT's ascending triangle, man. IOTA's double bottom. It's beginning to play out. Tron not yet. VeChain did things. 2 sats away from the measured move of the second. That's the second target on VeChain trade setup. Bitcoin got within $5. $5, man. On a trade setup we posted, a swing trade setup we posted, oh, I can't even remember, man. It was like February, and we finally reached it and sold off. So yeah, we might rally here, run again. That's cool. Then hopefully we could sell off again, hit the 618, and then go for real. Okay, here it is, man. So it hit that zone, right? Well, let's just pull it up real quick. Look, you put in the work, all right? You put in the work, and then when everything plays out, you celebrate, okay? And that's all we're talking about right now. Let's see. So the entry, 4,060. We got as high as 4,056. All right. And just to let it play out for you, March 6th, not February, my bad. But look, man. Here it is. Okay. You're crazy, Ray. You're crazy. Absolutely crazy. All right. Okay. $5 area. We already sold off. You know, these are hypothetical fibs, right? Swing low to swing high at the 786. You hit the 382 perfectly, and you bounced. But we're expecting and hoping that we make a lower high in this situation, and then we sell off again and run down to 3820 to fulfill the destiny of both major targets. Super kangage. Super duper kangage. Harmonics, baby. Harmonics. All right. Sorry. Anyway. What are y'all up to tonight? Y'all just hanging out? Voice chat? Bueller?
Yeah,
We're
for sure.
boozing and Yeah.
VK doing things.
Oh,
Chime in.
no!
Jellyfish tipped $25.
We don't even know what happened.
You know what
Did it
happened.
work?
Beer mugs.
You know what happened.
Yay!
God, here comes
Oh,
the
yeah,
jellyfish.
Chug!
Got me,
Yes!
dude. Oh,
I love when it's like
Gosh,
delayed,
dude.
wrecked.
No, but it's like the first one, dude.
I know. It
Gosh dang it,
tastes
man.
so awful when it hits your lips.
Let me see. I might have to get downstairs and get it real quick. Yeah, hold on.
Yes. Oh, it still hasn't happened yet. No, I went from 6 to 12. The Urikondi got you too. Oh, you're dead.
Let me go get
That's
like
the
a
deadliest.
let me get a cup real quick. All right, so I'm gonna mute my mic, but y'all go ahead and entertain.
Yes.
I'll be right back, Chan. Let me chug this beer. Real
Well,
quick, all right?
yes.
It's been a minute though. I haven't drank since like the weekend, so we good, man. All right.
Who was the Irikondi? I like it.
You know who it was. You know who. It was
The
The mate.
well, think about it's an Australian native dangerous jellyfish, and we know Strayans, right? Think about it. I'll be right back.
Philly boy, was that you? You couldn't figure out voice chat, but you figured out how to tip on there? I don't see Julia up.
Yes, it was me.
Voice chatting and tipping and asking for stock advice?
And driving.
And driving? Holy shit. Hold on, let me pull up chat.
It's a great start for this night.
Bradford, mic check 1, 2.
Hey, what's up everyone in chat? This is 1G.
Alright, I'm back. Sorry. Had to just get my visibility wreckage thing. Whatever, so we can aerate this beer. This is water beer. Oh my god. So yeah, man. Bitcoin hit the danger zone and dumped. And it was the 1618. It really was, man. It was the 1618 fib extension from B to C that we hit a couple times, and that was it, man. It was kind of like a double top and away. All right. It's not gonna be easy, man. Not gonna be easy at all. V-Chain doing things. All right, I'm about to do this real quick.
Hold on, let me get the stop.
Hey, what's up, Billy?
Stopwatch ready. You can actually go whenever you want because I'm on a 20-second delay. I'm guessing you just went.
It's not easy when you like eat dinner and protein shake and you got all this in your stomach. There's like no room, dude. Like logistically.
Mitch,
So
I'm
tough.
gonna teach you how to chug, man.
Oh,
I'm gonna
dude.
teach.
It's like I just haven't been the same since like we're getting the double triples. It's just so
Be
much
ready for the
carbonation,
one-
dude.
Be ready for the 1G chug protocol coming.
What is this? The
So-
Tron protocol?
Now, the 1G chug protocol
The 1G Chug Tron Connect protocol. Oh, Kappa. Yeah, dude.
Logan, I haven't seen it chug that slow since your last chug.
I know, dude. I know, dude. It's like, it was tough, man. I don't know. I just didn't have any kind of room in my stomach, man. And we just... What's up?
I leave you and you get subjected to the devil's lettuce or devil's whatever.
Yeah.
And did you guys' food ever arrive?
Yeah, food arrived.
It's the best story.
Oh
like
my god!
A half hour seemed like 7 hours.
Did no one record that audio conversation we had in voice chat? Because like that was the like I don't remember the last time I laughed that hard, dude. It was just like I couldn't stop laughing. It was so funny. Anyway, so I just like turned the chart to IOST. That's a request, and my god, man, it's not cup and handle ish. I don't know what it is, man. Just the symmetry and the Momo shift, man. Look at this, like low, the same low, like a triple bottom. I mean, it was really like descending triangle, right? And then you dumped, and then you rounded out, and you ran up, hit a low, ran up again, hit a higher low. The higher low was confluent with the previous supports back from August, September, October 2018. Hit the same support again, twice, double bottom, and then you pop to the upside, and now you're at what seems to be that neckline of the crazy cup with handle or whatever. I mean, you can see right here, right? There's a resistance, and now you're at it, struggling, wicking off of it multiple times. So look at the volume that's come in and blast it off. And if you could break it, measure move, put you way up here. And that wouldn't be weird at all, dude, because... Really, because if you can break where you are now, okay, there's resistance back from March of 2018 as well. And guess what, dude? This thing, IOST, one of the best sexual looking cup with handles like ever, dude. Y'all remember this in the 4 how pretty it was? And just blasted off, man, was gone. And so look, is history repeating itself on IOST? Because if we truly were to break to the upside, I mean, the height of the structure, it really, from the whole sell-off, no real daily discernible swing high until you go back to May 10th, 2018, high to low, December 2018. 236 isn't even until 283 sats. Measure move that cup with handle, 337, all right? And so the golden zone is even higher. Golden zone is between 391 sats and 564 sats, right? So there you go, man. I mean, that's just incredible development that could be potentially happening with IOST right now. Everyone watching this stream, just keep your eyes on it. And I can't even believe this, like 85 watching. Like, the channel is just, man, I don't know. I don't know, man. All right. So for you 85 people watching, keep your eye on IOST, set your alerts up. All right, dude, because this thing could have a nice blast off. Not even kidding, man. There's no real resistance if you break where you are right now. If you break it convincingly, keep your eye on it. That's it. But thanks. I can't remember who requested that on Patreon. Who was it? Was it M-Lottie?
M-Lottie, yeah.
Yeah, was it? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, okay, cool. So that's it, man. That's it. Well, let's see if we can be Kangs again, like we were before, back in March 2018. All right. Let's go to AXL. Let me sound check too. Is my audio too loud? I don't know, man. All right. We're going to go the weekly on AXL first. Specifically because unbelievable, beautiful bearish bat pattern. It's just so nice seeing these patterns, right? Holy crap, dude. What risk that matters, man.
You had your chance to put me in a body bag. Now I'm gonna try to
Don't ruin it for me.
Barf bag.
Dude, you know there's nothing I can do about it, right? So you know, like when you do it. Like I'm gonna like
fight or flight. It's fight or flight.
Yeah, it's like nothing.
Fight or flight, natural reaction.
Yeah, you'll hear me scream. Like I'm gonna like make a noise.
Nurture versus nature, Lodge.
Logitech, Kappa. So, dude, just beautiful pattern. I mean, you just got to be so ecstatic about the bearish bat pattern. XAB ran up 50% of the way, sold off 62% of the way, and on these bearish bat patterns, you can sell off at a range between the 382 and the 886. You could have gone way lower, but you didn't. You pivoted, and you were in an upsloping channel as well. All right, you ran up near the top, huge impulse, down slipping consolidation, one more leg up. And if you had this charted, look, if you had XABC, you'd already have the 88.6% retrace set up here, and an entry 886. But you didn't quite get there, did you? You got so freaking close. And if we just adjust to the top of the wick here, I don't think. See, use the candle close. There's no real way, because I just don't think you actually got to the 886. You were just like a hair off, and that happens, man. But you had plenty of time to see, right, what was going on. We were overbought near an entry for a bearish bat pattern. Look what happened. We sold off, hit the 382, began to retrace. People taking profit on this pattern. Yeah, that's what it is, the retrace. And then it dumped again, and then we hit the 618, 1412, went a little bit lower, and then rallied, just bouncing around, and then sold off again, hit the 786 from the low to high, and run up, but we're making lower highs at this point. So that's your weekly, man. This all started in July of 2007, and it finally all played out in April 2015. Who's waiting for this thing, man? You got to be scanning charts and be lucky to see it before it occurs, all right? But hey, the beauty of all this is, man, you can scan charts all day, all night, looking for developments like this on significant time scales. It doesn't have to be the weekly, but here it is on the weekly, and it looks splendid. All right, beautiful, man, beautiful. I need to get a checklist on harmonic education I've done, because I eventually just want to get all of them done, so we can have clips for all patrons about each and every one of the education clips. So I'm gonna see what I can do about that. All right, going daily. All right, so what's happening with daily now? All right, just got like I believe anchor point 1 and 2. You know, we've had to make adjustments. It was like this, all these false breakouts, and you see the wicks here, fail, then you just adjust. So 1 and 2 and 3. Heartline 25%, heartline 75%. Pretty nice, lined up pretty nice, except for this bottom. All right, and that was probably some sort of 1272, 1414 fib extension from low to high. Anyway, we've rallied pretty hard, but guess what? Unfortunately, it's a lower high, lower low situation. That's the trend, and it's bearish right now. And it's actually, if you zoom out of the weekly, it's very bearish. We just keep making lower highs no matter what for a long time. And so all we did was run up, almost hit a 78% to retrace. Showed bearish divergence on both oscillators on the daily time scale. And so just plotting here. There it is. Overbought with RSI bearish divergence, right? Higher prices, lower levels of relative strength in overbought territory at 75. Asking for disaster, man. All right, so sell-off has self-started February 21st, and we're still down there. Still down there March 27th. All right, so we now need to fib, right? We fibbed. Thank you. It's not relevant to us anymore. We fibbed from the low point here to the high point, and we're going to go candle close to candle close because there's no wick up here really. So between, we're just in the golden zone right now. All right, in between that 382 and 618, maybe could expect a reversal in price action here, but remember, the trend is your friend, and it's a bearish trend right now. So lower highs, lower lows is kind of the name of the game. All right, see, look, your low and your lower low pivoted, rallied, lower high. You see what I'm saying? Don't fight the trend on AXL. There you go. All right, cool, man. Pretty cool. Oh my god. So we had a 70% retrace though. 70% only the butterflies, I believe, run up to 76s. All right, so 70% retrace. You sell off between a 382. So we'll be looking for a 382 between a 382 retrace and an 88.6% retrace. All right, at these levels we could run up again, and then we can make an actual higher high. And that's where you're looking for a 1272 to 1618, which is much higher than this high, and that'd be a breakout. But I don't know if that's going to happen. We need more data, really. So, all right, dude. AXL. Holy crap. Hey, we've looked at JBH, dude. It's been a minute. I had a magenta. Freaking what? When did we look at this, man? Oh, man. Jeez. All right, so like crazy nice uptrend, then we broke out bearishly. Let's go weekly real quick. Okay, pure uptrend, right? Very nice uptrend, higher highs, and now you just, it seemed like you were forming some price contraction before you fell out, but you busted right back in it. And it's cool though, because like this, like that 25% trend line has been holding pretty well. This is weekly time scale, but you can see the pattern, right? False breakouts, man. More common than real breakouts. Low, lower low. Yeah, you had divergence, and that's what caused the pop on the weekly. Double bottomed. Jeez. What happened? What's going on? I heard the push top, man. Beer's just like hitting me, it's like, whew. New schedule. What happened? So yeah, it's kind of weird, man. Kind of weird. Like, I posted a video today, and I wanted to wait like an hour after I posted it so people could start watching it, viewing it. They'd have time to. And I know like notifications are gonna be rough, so I'm just trying to like figure out the whole YouTube thing on like short time scale videos versus long streams and what's going to be effective for growing the channel. And it seems like I got to get those short video streams, so just like condensed stream. I don't know. So audio is perfect. Thank you. Holy crap, man. Got to be happy about the false breakout here. I think you do have some sort of downsloping resistance right here. And you technically kind of broke it today. Huh. Wedgie wedge? Some sort of wedgie wedge right there. I know, I get it, man. There's all kinds of stuff, right? But you had an upsloping support here that was being held. They fell out of it, and then somehow bounced. And so high to low, 382. So look for 2492 soon, or 26. Seems like that might be a likely scenario. Even though you're kind of showing some divergence, right? High, higher high, lower levels of positive momentum. I don't know, man. So yeah, there's a lot going on here, man. A lot of stuff going on, but this is very bullish. This asset is extremely bullish, so remember that. Holy crap.
Yeah, thanks, Mitch. I'm just trying to look into the stocks a bit more.
Yeah, dude, of course. Was this a X, A, B, C, D? Wow, it's beautiful, dude. You can see the harmonic-esque stuff right there, right? Things like a shark, maybe, or a bullish 5-0. No way it wasn't. It was not a bullish 5-0 because whatever. Anyway, okay, man. All right. Let's see if we can hit 2492 and 26. This market, or just the stall market's on a tear, and the rest of them, rest of the world's, their markets do pretty well. We do. Chug. Oh yeah, take a look at Chug.
Hey Ray, Can we check out Chug? Ticker CHGG. Looking at possible targets. Thanks, Mon.
Yeah, dude, yeah, I know we've looked at it before. Hey, give me a second, okay? Alright, we're gonna look at one more. ONT, it was requested by Patreon, and we'll go right to yours, okay? So just hold tight. We got this thing, man. This one's just beautiful, dude. I mean, this is one we posted in the Patreon chat for sure. Like 100%. I mean, go to it. Pat ourselves on the back, man. Just beautiful, dude. Ascending triangle. I mean, I remember this was Friday night, man. We're looking at this thing, dude. So, 618, right? From the height, high to low, golden retrace. Exceeded it to hit the measure move and never had a candle close above it. I'm talking, it's so perfect, chat. It's so freaking perfect. Look. It's just like the measure principle, man. Sometimes it works so perfect like that, dude. Okay. And we'll just pull up the chart real quick just to show y'all. Oh. We put a lot of stuff in here, so I just gotta find it. Yeah, Crypto Collar posted it too. Or was it before I left, dude? It was before I went to Cali that I posted this thing. Unreal. Maybe not. I don't. Ah, here it is, dude. Here it is. All right. Y'all look at this, okay? There it is, dude. Are we gangs? ONT to Kangage, man? Oh, yeah, I think so, dude. I think freaking so. Whew. Documented evidence of Kangage. That's all we call that, man. Dude, we got to.
Reach ain't doing
Oh
things.
my! You gotta be kidding me, dude! You gotta be kidding me! This is bull crap, dude! This is bull crap!
$25.
This is bull crap.
3 white
Guys,
soldier
make
with
sure
Morning
Mitch gets
Star,
wasted by the
man.
end of the
Dude,
stream.
this is so much bull crap. Wrong,
Yes,
bro.
hit again.
Is
Yeah.
that a Chug?
Yeah.
Yes.
Gosh dang it, man. I'm glad I took a break, dude. Alright, Ram man. Dude, it's crazy. I get so flush when I hear that. It's like I'm conditioned when I hear VeChain doing things, like, and it's a variation, I know I'm screwed. I'm like, oh god. Dude, I'm scared. I'm gonna have to turn down the percentage chances of when Seth comes back, dude. And like, come on.
What?
Dude, Seth will come back.
How many times did we try and it never?
Yeah, dude, but something changed. It's like Stream Elements, like freaking.
Good job, Rami.
Dude, I think they were like, okay, man, all right, we got complaints from this guy's stream. We watched it. Yeah, dude, there's something going on, man. All right. Holy crap, dude. Yeah, we're gonna take
Twitch
a look.
Connect.
Twitch Connect. Oh my god, Connect. What's up, Wilson, dude? Oh, Wilson.
Mitch Ray back in good old Greenbow, Alabama. Live Nutella and TA. Could you check CND? Thank Mitchell. Here are some fives for your trouble. 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5.
I'm confused. Where's Chugs? Hey, Wilson, thanks for the 589, man. Gangs, dude. All right. Let me see here, cause I'm having issues. I know I've looked at Chug before, but I just typed it in and it didn't work out. Where are we here? I gotta refresh my. No, that's not how it works. You refresh when I hit refresh. Thank you. Okay. Good God. CND. Yeah. We'll look at CND, man. No problem, man. Okay. All right, dude. And we're gonna check in a second. Let's see. CHGG. Oh, CHGG. My bad, dude. Cheg. It's Cheg. Oh yeah, baby, the rising wedge. Blue, you should chug, dude. Dude, y'all gonna see this chart in a second. We were at the top of the historical uptrend. We were in the rising wedge. We were showing all the bearish divergence in the world, dude. You gotta be kidding me. Dude, like insane. Alright? Insane. Higher highs with negative momentum. Get wrecked, dude. On daily time scale. Get wrecked. Let's go, baby. Hey, we closed below the 20-day moving average. Come on, let's see the 50 now. Let go, man. Let go. Alright. Let me get this beer real quick. Gosh dang it, man. See? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bullcrap, dude. Right? So 2 out of 3 have triggered chugs. This is what I'm saying, dude. Yeah, pro staller. Look at that stalling. Okay, dude. Hey, I'm not rushing. I'm stalling, dude. Hold on. Oh no, no way, no. I'm not chugging an IPA. I'm not chugging an IPA, dude. There's IPA in there. I'm going to get a water beer. Hold on. I'm sorry. Look, you know, go ahead and leave. Act like, you know, not providing value, but we have fun too. Okay, so just hold tight. You'll get your charts. We've already looked at. Really look 6 charts, something like that. All right, having a good time, man. Put in the work earlier today. Static video, 2-hour live stream, something like that. I don't know, man. Okay, be right back. Hold down the fork knight. Voice chat. Oh.
Who got him this time, Philly? Did you get him?
Nah, Rami or something. But I don't know if it was a 25 or a 33.
Hang in, Satoshi, come join us.
Wilson.
He's now part of the Chug Club.
Oh my god, man. Dude, Bill, DB Cooper, sorry. Thanks so much for the 25. Thank God. Thank God it did not trigger, dude. Because we've done, how many? I've had to chug. I've had like 6 before. 6 variations in a stream with Montana. When I was in Atlanta. Oh my god, the rhymes, dude. It's too easy. What y'all been doing? Y'all been hanging out? I know the music's good.
We are. Montana gets you 6 times in Atlanta.
He got me 6 times in Atlanta. Well, it wasn't just him. I think it was like Skyward, actually. It was the first.
Everyone's sniper fire at you.
Yeah, it was mainly Montana, but like Skyward started at like 40 minutes into the stream. And then like that was like the, you know, it's like a Momo thing, right? It's like a pack of sharks. They smell blood and they're like, all right, we're gonna get him, dude. So Skyward was the catalyst to that one. All right, dude, this is not gonna be a good show. I might vomit, dude. I'm gonna be slow as like a, you know, 18-year-old sorority girl, okay? This is how slow I'm gonna be chugging, alright? Oh, God, dude. Just like, I don't know, there's physical room in my stomach for more liquid, whether it's tea, beer, or Coca-Cola or something, okay? Beautiful on Chegg, man. Chegg to chug to the one day or something. This is not gonna be easy, man. Was that ice, that mug? No, dude, I don't want it ice, man. I want this to be like room temperature. So much easier to chug. Yeah, y'all got me. Y'all got me tonight, dude. Are you kidding me? You've already gotten me. I'm so screwed. Dude, that's a lot of liquid, man, for a stomach, man. Okay? I'm just like trying to tap it to get like carbonation out, but I don't think that's how it works. Kind of works, I guess. Fake beer. Yeah, dude. Fake beer, dude. Yeah, man. It's cream soda. Hello, can you hear me? Sorry. Probably.
Creaming soda would be worse.
Oh, yeah, dude. Ugh. It gets metabolized the same way, but cream soda doesn't make you feel somewhat better, right? After you drink it, makes you feel like crap. I don't do like sugary sodas, man. Gross. Whew. Okay. Stupid variation, man. When Seth gets back, dude, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to turn it down. This is crazy. Like, I'm literally gonna stop halfway. Like, I don't know. It's just too much. What'd you say? What were you gonna say?
I'm just laughing at you fingering the beer.
It's so much carbonation, man. This is the first time I've cried on stream, man. Oh my god. Not really. It's like the third, because when I chug, I have like this carbonation gets me, dude. All right. There's your second chug. There's your Chegg. How appropriate that we're looking at Chegg coin while I chugged. Oh, thank God. Only 33. It wasn't 3333. Thanks for being so nice about that one, laser beam. Sharks with freaking laser beams.
God damn it, I forgot 33 cents.
My son Scotty got me an on-working shark with a laser beam back in my communist days. Let's see if this one kills.
Let's see if this one kills. Sorry, you just pulled a Dr. Evil. Or, you pulled a Scott, right? His son. He tries so hard to be like Dr. Evil, right? But he's off by 33 cents. Get wrecked. Alright. C and D. Think y'all are going to want to C and D this one. Okay. Okay, so still doing nothing, right? So this is what's up with C and D. Daily time scale was looking at this one. We broke down sloping structure. Nice Momo shift with the higher lows, but it was close enough to the previous low to be considered a higher low double bottom. But also, after a huge impulse up, we have, what do you call it? A equilateral triangle? Or something else? You gotta be effing kidding me, dude. I can't believe it. This is bullcrap. This is so much bullcrap, dude. How in the world is it like this? This is like 50% chance or something? This is so stupid, dude. This is so unreal, dude. This is bullcrap. Fake variations.
I gotta turn down the volume so I get to watch it.
Fake variations, dude. This is bullcrap.
You can do it.
And someone put this on live stream fails on the subreddit. It's like TMZ for live streamers. I think this is major fail. My variation has gone against me, dude. And I don't even know what to do anymore. Y'all understand. How many variations? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, technically 5, because we're not counting the 6th one. Five tips with a 10% chance or 15% chance. 3 out of 5 have triggered a chug. That's insane, dude.
We knew this day would come from all the ones that missed overs.
Yeah, dude, but I paid back that Atlanta night, and now I'm about to, hey, dude, whatever, man. It's Thursday night, man. It's Pedro night, dude. It's gonna be lit, man. Oh my God, hold on, dude. It's only 2 beers, about to be 3. We're getting there, man. We're getting there. Just slosh fest, I guess. Hold on. Jeez, dude, I can't believe it.
Good work, comrade.
Chance, dude. 10%. Worse RNG than World of Warcraft, man. You gotta be kidding me. What are we gonna do here, man? I'm sure Logan's laughing his butt off. Okay. Here we are again, man. At least I don't have to go downstairs to get another one. That was the annoying part. Okay, so C&D, man. We had bullish divergence on the rounding action on that high or low, right? Low, lower low. I believe at a 786 fib node. So bullish divergence at a fib node. Kangage breakout, but no volume on the breakout. That's the crappy part about C&D. The only thing I don't like, no volume on a breakout. But you're above all 3 moving averages, thank God. Oof.
We are going to punish you every March Madness for life.
Oh my God, dude. Yeah, it's in a miss. He missed. You did not sink my battleship that time. Oh my God, dude. March Madness, dude. I was thinking about doing a game, but I don't even know how to do it, man. And then 64 teams, just so much work. I don't even know how to. I have to like calculate the score per like round of each S coin, and that's how they would advance. But then it's like, how do I seed them, dude? It seems like I need like a team of people like developing this thing. I don't know how to do it. March Madness for S coins, it'd be fun, but. So logistically it seems almost impossible. So there you go, C&D. But Wilson, dude, that was you, dude. Wilson, are you satisfied? Breakout, we're back testing. So I mean, you're like lower risk. Thing you would want to do if you're literally trying to breakout buy, which is not always the best, but you can if you want. Just have a relatively tight stop. I mean, you fall back in here, you might bounce off the 250 moving average. So measure moves pretty large at this thing, and I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna chug it. We're gonna analyze and then chug. All right, breakout. So there you go. Measure moves right at the 382. So we're just gonna put it right at the 382. That's how you'd play it, man. You'd play C&D just like that. Might post that as a Patreon setup or something. Because it's like, you're not buying at the lowest risk area. We like buying, finding these things, when they're making lower lows, or showing divergence, or double bottoming, right? We like those, but you can mix it up and do a breakout buy here and there because the risk reward's so nice. And we know, dude, this is a double bottom kind of, right? But the thing is, we've been incessantly selling off since Great FOMO, dude. Over a year now, man. Well over a year. We've been just been doing nothing but selling, but now the MOBA is shifting a little bit, right? So you do have opportunity. The way the market's been shifting, dude, C&D could be doing things soon. All right. Okay. Oh my God, man. What do I gotta do here? Hurry up and oxidize this alcohol so I can go pee it out. So I can, if I need to ingest more, I can. Gordon Gecko, how can you have bullish divergence when you're making higher lows? It's impossible. Okay. Dude, I'm like, yeah, dude, I'm recovering still from Cali Kanglegging, dude. I went all in. I went hard, dude. I left it on the field and needed like a week recovery. I only got like 4 days or something of recovery, so we'll be alright. Yeah, legit technical analysis being ridiculous at the same time. You gotta love it, man, but it's not for the lighthearted, dude. And we're listening to freaking sick music too. Gotta love it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this beer, dude. I'm just letting it sit there for a second so the carbonation just like, you know, gets the F out, dude. Don't you get this beer on my harmonic book, dude. Dude, these harmonics, man, the more you mess around, the more you refer to the book, the quicker you're going to memorize these fib nodes so you don't have to refer to it as much. Alright? Have that book by you. If you've mastered fibs and you love fibs and you like the harmonics, dude. This is so messed up, dude. Oh my god. No comment? Huh? What y'all got to say, man? What y'all got to say?
Chug.
Oh, yeah, chug. Crap. I just, like, don't have, like, dude, Logan, I don't have room in my stomach, man. It's like I ate, like, a lot of chicken and protein shake, and it was just, like, tea, and I'm like, psh. And now it's like I come in and I've chugged 2 beers, and now it's like, psh, gotta chug another one. I'm like, how am I gonna do that, man? Like, I won't physically be able to, man. Like, so what happens when, like, I literally, like, can't chug? Like, I'm, like, literally have to sit it down for a second and just catch my breath and burp, and then, well, yeah, stall. Dude, we have a literal Russian. Okay.
It's called puke and rally.
I thought it was boot and rally, and that's when you...
Billy Bob,
but
puke and rally.
But it's not because of chugging, it's because he drank too much. It's not... I'd be vomiting, not because I drank too much, but I'd be vomiting because there's just literally no room left in my stomach, and I don't want to vomit up vital resources for my nutrition. Hey, Des13, thanks for the sub on Twitch, man. Thanks for supporting the channel, dude. Much love, dude. Kangage, dude. Kangage. C and D. I think it was C and D that caught your eye, Des, man. Thank you, dude. Is your first sub, man? If you want to chime in, dude, say something. All right. See, Des is helping me out because he subbed, so it bought me a little time to just relax a second. I'm so glad I worked out before stream. I knew something like this might have happened. Offshoot chance. You never know, man, right? What's up, Spock Talk, dudes? I can put Microsoft on the list. Just give me a second, though. We got to look at a couple more, and I have to chug a freaking beer, Spock. Okay? Before we do Microsoft. Brutal, dude. It's super brutal.
What's the spread you use on harmonics? Like, if you're within... Like, you need a 786 and 806? Or does
what you talking about?
To be for, like, a Gartley? Or, you know, you need the specific, basically the X to the D needs to be an exact.
X to the D.
Range.
You want to post like a sample or?
Yeah.
Crap, I'm the present, man. All right, Renee. Okay, she was talking to Remika. Renee, don't think less of me. Okay, I can't help that I just added a 10% variation, and I'm getting wrecked because the 10% RNG is worse than MMORPG. Gosh dang it, dude. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I'm literally gonna finish it, and I'm gonna have to like finish it in a second. Okay, like I don't want to vomit, dude. All right, hold on. See, I'm like, oh my god, busy lifting drink out the butt, dude. Oh my god, man. We did it, man. I'm a man of my word. We've done it, man. Kangage. Super Kangish, dude. Well, we're only 3 away from matching that Friday night in Atlanta, dude. Gosh, dang. Quit being a Microsoft man. Don't you dare call me that, Quinley. I can't believe you call me Microsoft man. Brutal. Okay, we're going to go to VeChain, doing things. That's what started all this craziness, okay?
So, Mitch, the one I was talking about is posted in chat, and it did hit the 618 and then dumped. It's Home Depot.
So that's definitely not a Gartley. That's it looks more like a bearish cipher. A bullish cipher. Bullish cipher, excuse me.
Bullish cipher, yeah.
So you're looking for like 786, 80%. Yeah, they're sometimes going to go below. But look what happened. Look at B to C. Look at the 1272, a critical fib extension, right? So you're looking for like not only X to C's retrace, which is like it hit 80%, you're also looking for B to C. Very important. So you want to always want, what I do is like I like fibbing B to C from anchor point 1 is B to the high point, anchor point C. And then you go down and say, all right, 1272, 1414. We know those areas. Let's look for a reversal in each one of those areas. I'm salivating a lot. I don't know why, dude. It's probably that beer, dude. But yeah, man. So it literally hit like a 1272 perfectly, right? Fib extension.
Yeah.
And so sometimes they're going to be off. They're not going to line up perfectly. Like
A to C was 113% exactly. Which is it's 113 to 1414. I don't know. Is 113? What is it? The
113%. It's like I think minimum.
128, isn't that?
That's the minimum. Like you have like, or that's like the lowest point you should go. All right, on this. So like on the bullish side, let me pull it up real quick. I actually got it.
I'm trying to find something that we haven't gone over.
So A to C. Oh, look at that, dude. Look how perfect it is, man. All right, it's gonna pull up on your screen. Look, I can't. But look, A to C, it's between a 113% retrace and a 141.4% retrace, dude. Dude, literally perfect.
Yeah.
Top. That's just unreal, man. It's like perfect, uncanny. But like that's not really what you're looking for. That's like, hey, man, congratulations, we met the criteria for the potential pattern. All right, we never like play those at the top. We wait for the D to hit. It sounds weird, but you know, you wait for the 1272, 1414, or 786, and if you're lucky, sometimes you're going to get the 786 with the 1414 or 1272 at the same time, and that's perfect. There's just a zone of entry, right? And let me pull yours up on the screen for them so they can see. All right, so he's looking at this, and it's like from B to C, 1272, perfect, right? But the thing is, it went a little bit from X to C, low anchor point, high anchor point. We hit an 80% retrace, which is a little bit lower than our entry 786, but it's close enough, man, because B to C. And that's what it's like. That's like the whole point, I think, while we have those, is because it's like sometimes you'll retrace a little lower than you should, but it lines up almost perfectly at a fib extension from B to C for this bullish cipher pattern. Kangage high to low, then you're going 1 and 2, 382. I know we hit that, and it looks like you already had it plotted. We didn't quite. Oh, we did it the 618, didn't we? Perfectly. Yeah, you have it plotted high.
Hit the 618 and dumped.
It looks like it's rallying there, right?
Yeah.
So you hit both targets, but you always got a third target, right? When you can just use discretion, whether you want 886 or 100% or 1272, for that matter. So you just can, it's all about critical thinking on, like, hey, man, I think we're at 886, or I don't think we'll hit 100% because maybe bearish divergence could be coming or something like that. That's just like, holy crap. Sorry, man. I'm like literally trying to catch my breath for a second. 3 beer chugs in literally 1 hour. Do you hear me? 3 beer chugs in 1 hour. It's like the Dave Chappelle skit, man.
You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing okay, man. I'm doing okay. They say your kidneys can oxidize 1 beer per hour, so I'm way behind right now. Womp, 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 womp. Dude, that was the funniest thing ever in Discord. When I was echoing, I was doing womp, 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 womp. Y'all remember that, dude? That was triggering my laughing so hard. Good God.
My senior year in college, so the UCLA cop, the UCPD, he brings like a group of seniors that he's gotten to know, and buys all the beers for him. You sit around, you drink with them, and then you're like, all right, guess when you can, when you think you're whatever, you're 0.05 and you're, still legal to drive, or 0.0. And then if you miss guess and you're off by more than 1%, 0.01%, you had to drink again. And then if you were like, I'm all in, you say, I'm all in, I can drink, and everyone else agrees to take the bet, like we've been drinking long enough. And so one dude did it, and so if he would have won, then we all have to chug a beer. But if he loses, he has to chug a beer for all of us. So he had to do 4 beers in a row. And 5, including the cop, he didn't have to do. So he blew a .082. After those 4 beers, went from a .082. You have to wait 15 minutes without having anything in your mouth to do the breathalyzer. That's one of the tricks if you guys ever want to get out of it.
You wait 5 minutes?
Mouth. They have to watch you for 15 minutes. You cannot have anything in your mouth to do the breathalyzer. That's part of the rules. The whole point of the breathalyzer, the reason you breathe so hard, is it wants to pull the air from the bottom of your lungs. And then, so when he finally did it, so 15 minutes later, after the 4 beer chugs, he went from a .082 to a .21 something.
0.21 something?
Yes, tripled in 15
dude,
minutes.
That's drunk.
4 beers.
It's like 2.5 sheets in the wind right there, right?
I've been up into the mid 2s, high 2s.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's fast acting, and that'll wear off a little bit. If you've been drinking all night, that just builds up because it won't chill out.
Do y'all remember Ben from Atlanta? Dude, he, I don't remember what happened, but he, we were pledges, and he had to go to the hospital, and he had one of the highest blood alcohol contents ever. I'll text him. He's probably sleeping right now because it's another hour, but I just want to find out real quick. What was your blood alcohol content? What? Your BAC. When we were pledges and you almost died. All right, sent the Raven has been sent. Let's see what he says. If he responds, he probably won't though. Probably tomorrow, and then I'll tell y'all. But yeah, dude, crazy stuff. So Spock was asking about Microsoft, dude. Microsoft Kangin, dude. All right, Kangin fell out of that crazy velocity trend, right? We had been in, and that's okay though. High point to low point, we are approaching the 1272, 121.41. That is certainly an area of your first area of resistance. We're talking about all-time highs here, right? I don't think 2001 we got close. I think, right? Let's go to the monthly real quick. Knock that out. Yeah. Okay. All right. Never mind. All right. So we're way above it. So I'm just making sure because some of these tech stocks, but Trump bump, man. So yeah, all-time highs and 1272, and then you got 121.41 is going to play a role. It seems like you might be setting up for yeah, you might be setting up for some triple MACD daily divergence, but it could keep going, right? I'm telling you, tomorrow if we hit the 1272, we might have a higher histogram wick, and we might just have Class C bearish divergence, which is stagnation and momentum. When you double top, you get higher highs on price, but you double top on the histogram. It's not necessarily meaning impending price action reversal, but you can clearly see what's happening right now. Dude, Microsoft, 79. Was this crypto? 79 on the RSI. Last time we were 79 on the RSI was January, right before the huge dump. Remember January of 2018, the largest spike of volatility in the history of the stock market? All the years it's been around, never seen that much volatility. And the XIV was liquidated completely, lost 80% of its value in a day. Prospectus said it would be liquidated if it ever lost so much value. Game over, right? That's the last time we saw 79.80 on the RSI, even though we've seen higher before. We've actually gone up to 89 on the daily on Microsoft before, and that was back in November of 2017. And that is, I believe, an all-time high on RSI. About to find out. Yeah, dude, all-time high, dude. All-time freaking high. Wait, oh, closed back in 92. We've gotten up there, dude, and we got so much historical data on Microsoft. We got very close in 92. Unreal, dude. Unreal. This market's on fire, dude. In a good way. Kangage. Hey, partial decline. Partial decline on your descending broadening wedge. You hit the top trend line again. You got a 70% plus chance of breaking out. We did it. Thanks, Bulkowski, for all the info. You'd be happy about this one, man. Microsoft. Holy crap. Oh, yeah, King Logan, I'm sorry. You have a moon face on the screen, dude. Whew. We'll look at ADA. Everyone calm down, all right? We'll look at ADA right now. Still can't break it, man. Sorry, dude. You're saying it's doing things, of course, but doing things at an area of resistance up until an area of resistance, all right? So you're hitting extremely critical area. This is the neckline. This is the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. Showing all this divergence kind of right now. It's going to be tough, man. You're probably going to pull back. Hopefully you can just make a retrace and reset your oscillators and then run again and break out, all right? But we know, and we talked about this in Daystream on ADA, you break this, it could be very, very smooth sailing up to the 50% retrace because there is no resistance above where we are really. So as a horizontal line resistance right at like 1388, whatever, September 2018 high. Other than that, man, and it's very, very weak, okay? Just like this, the same thing, right? We talk about the bearish hurricane, right? There's no support looking left. You built your house on twig and thatch. Guess what? If you start showing extreme bullish signals, huge patterns that take 5 months to develop, Momo shifts, breakouts, which we did, it's the same thing. It's a bullish hurricane. Like there's a bullish hurricane warning. It seems like almost, right? But the thing is, it's all potential till you break it. We're right at it, and we've been struggling over 24 hours at this level, dude. Okay, right here, just can't break it. Trying so freaking hard, but at least we reset the RSI. We're at 57, neutral. A break the upside would be stupendous. 1388. Look for it, and then 1550, and then the measure move again is above 1700 sats, dude. This could be a beautiful run. In Montana, we know got in around 1070 sats. Oh, keep burping, dude. Oh, holy crap. Hello? Is anyone even here anymore? Too much TA? Listen. Look here, listen. Appearing offline does not effing stop it. Sorry, that's Wings Redemption, man. Shout out Sean Ranklin.
We're waiting for the 15 minutes where it just all sets in. Do we need to get you a breathalyzer?
Dude, remember I was talking about when I was drunk one time. There's a way that you can hook up a breathalyzer to an app and a widget, and I can screen capture when I blow into it, and I can put it on the screen, like me in the top.
The guy on the phone that went on Shark Tank, he got sued because it was bullshit.
Dude, we could
like it wasn't legit.
We can make it work though.
Dude, I'll just grab one from the police department.
Like, yeah, but like if, as long as it, like when I blow into it, as long as it's hooked up to the internet or Wi-Fi, and then go to a source, I can screen capture any source on any one of my monitors and make it like wherever I want on the screen. So it's all, you gotta make sure that's it. If not, I can just look into.
Yeah, you'd have to turn it. You'd have to turn it into the camera. Maybe you have the secondary camera ready to go and just turn and
I could do that. Yeah. But it should be. There's got to be a way, dude. No, I've seen other streamers do this, man, where they'll blow into a breathalyzer. Whoa.
Well, half of the ones. So the ones that you can buy online, even like the $180 ones, like technically you're supposed to wait 15 minutes before blowing into any of them. But like what's called the PAS machine that they give you out in the field, you can do it within 3 minutes, and it'll still, like, it'll register within. It's not legally admissible in court, but it's as accurate as you can get. But they're thousands of dollars. But like the UI cops lose those things all the time, so they can just lose one at my house. And I have one in Texas, but I don't know where it is.
Dude, freaking Mike Lamb says, "What's up? Did I miss anything?" God, dude, what a question to ask tonight, man. Jeez, yeah, you missed a lot, dude. We've looked at like 10 plus assets, and I've had to chug 3 beers because the stupid variations 10% is now acting like 100% or 50% or 75%, dude. All right, but whatever, man. It's not like in the midst of this chugging, I'm not giving extremely nice analyses of these assets, dude. Give me a break, man. Come on.
All right, this is time to do Tesla.
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 Dude, I forgot to get a whatever. I forgot to do a test drive of Tesla in Cali, dude. Alright, I think Remlog adjusted his settings. The marijuana Ambien. Let's get rid of that real quick because I want to do something. Still selling off, man. Dude, you got to be disappointed, right? Because the way this market has been recovering, for Tesla to continue selling off is not good for them, right? It's not going to make you happy.
Can it be inverse head and shoulder? Or double bottom?
Could be a triple bottom soon, right? Look, like 1 and 2, and then maybe 3 at 246, right? But yeah, no, I see what you're saying. We're showing some really, really nice bullish divergence. 1G, man. Oh, this 4 hour, my bad. Let's go to daily, dude. You normally want to look at the daily, these assets. Let me get rid of this. Okay, so that's played out a little bit. Yeah, okay, all right, man. Yeah, really nice bullish divergence. And it looks like you might be wedging now. All right, so low, lower low, lower low. Dude, yeah, man. You got the bullish divergence of the yin-yang on both oscillators. And let's see the fibs. Okay, let's see the retrace from this low from October. From that low point to high point. Ooh. Oh my God, man. What are we doing at the 886? Are you kidding me? Do we have a morning doji star? Oh my God, it's like a morning abandoned baby star. Like a morning, you know, it's like a morning, or excuse me, an
Logan, you want to come into voice chat to describe what?
Oh my God, dude! Look at this reversal with the bullish divergence at the 886 1G, man. It seems like it could go again.
I like it.
Dude, that's really nice.
That's where his equidistant channel lines up with too.
Yeah, my channel's on the bottom.
See, I haven't adjusted mine. Y'all probably have. I know Rimmel adjusted his, and his look pretty good. Using the double bottom from before with the Ambien and the Ambien or whatever, and the marijuanas. So I know, yeah, it's probably lined up pretty well. But dude, that right there is serious, man. That's abandoned baby doji, okay, or morning star doji, okay, stuff. That is a reversal, hardcore, and it's like a long-legged doji too. So we use those dojis as reversals, okay. Wow, we'll see how it goes, man. Triple MACD bullish divergence with this reversal with some RSI bullish divergence, pretty freaking nice, man. Add an 886 fib node, dude. It's not bad, dude. Not bad at all. All right, so Tesla could run up, but the problem is we could run up 284 and then dump again because look, your prevailing trend, or the trend you've been in since December, has been down sloping, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So, yeah, right? That's it.
All right, thanks, man.
Yeah, man, yeah.
I'm not asking to pull it up, but there's 2 huge options put on. 6 million for basically Apple to close tomorrow under 194, and 4.5 million on Apple to close under 192 on a Friday. What is either the gig is in
Still
or
holding that channel. I got a lot going on. Let me clean it up a little bit, but dude, like all it's nice. Hold on a sec. So let's check it out. Let's go to the other screen. Okay, here's Apple. I know there's a lot of horizontal lines. These are all gap fills and stuff. Let me clean it. Okay, so under 191 tomorrow. What is it?
so under 194. Hold on, I'll give you the exact numbers. So March 22nd puts paying $1.16 a piece, so $116 a piece. 36,000 opened, so that gives you a price of 193.84. It has to get below. Yeah, because the strike price is 195, and then
oh man, maybe we gap up and get wrecked tomorrow.
another 43,000 shares at costing $35 a piece. Yeah, for basically getting down to 192. 16. It's a lot of money to flood in over that. There's a bunch of it on Nvidia too.
We have not been this overbought since September of 2018 near the top, right? We just surpassed the 200-day moving average, but we gapped up technically, and we're near the 618 at 198.11. Say we run up, touch that tomorrow, and then sell off tomorrow and wreck everyone's face. High to low, 618 is 198.11. So on a Friday, dude, look where you are. You're at the top of a channel, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just stupid amount of touch points on this channel.
Yeah.
And look,
So
the lower
maybe
levels of positive momentum at these critical areas of resistance. I
a
mean,
bunch of profit taking, maybe.
It's
Friday. You're never gonna go heavy short, but unless people are taking out heavy profits over the past week. Yeah, makes sense.
Well, I mean,
and all their calls are expiring tomorrow, and so
dude, this thing's been killing it, man.
Out.
Yeah, it's going up, and
well, they the market ran without really FANG, and then certain parts are doing things.
Yeah, man.
Levi's opens tomorrow.
Oh yeah, the IPO.
$17 a share.
Oh god, man. Yeah,
Way overvalued. Oh,
we're gonna do it, man.
dump it.
Dude, yeah. Well, can you even buy it tomorrow? I mean, you probably can't, right? You probably it's only for institutions for like a few days, and they'll run it up for the retailers. So when the retailers buy it, it'll be even higher, and then they'll FOMO and it'll go up a little bit more, and then they'll all sell off and destroy the retail.
Yeah, it's a
3 days.
it's till the end of the month, I believe, but it ends up being like a week. Five business days.
5 days where we can't get it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this sounds similar to Snap.
That's what. So we were doing the Equidistant channel of Snap, and I was like, I didn't include that part. I'm like, because this is them pumping up the price.
Yeah.
And then it opens to retail, and then
they FOMO it a little more.
Dumped on their face.
Well, they'll help the FOMO and push it up more, and then someone with a lot, some hedge fund will just pull the rug, and then everyone else will too, and inside information. And it's like, oh, it's such a racket, dude. Yeah, man.
Yeah. And nowadays, it lists, there's, when lockup periods are closing and different stuff like that.
Who even gets excited about IPOs that knows what they're doing? Like, how can you get excited about it? All you know, like,
last one was Facebook.
Oh, it took a year for it to recover to those same levels, and then
What did it open at 38? 38?
Go and look
I
at
say
it.
was remember. Oh, can I say this on stream? Yeah, because we didn't do it. Remlog and I wanted to get it on the Lyft IPO at $4 a share because it was going to run up, and
What's it
just
at?
dump it. Just dump it.
It started at 45, it looks like.
Okay.
Yeah, it started at 42, and this was like in 2012, May of 2012, and then we never, like, once we sold off, we didn't see those prices again, literally until September of 2013. So like more than a year until we broke even again. Wow, dude, have fun with that, dude. But then after that, it's been on tear, wonderful up until recently, with all the Zuckerberg being a robot and stuff, you know, whatever. But okay, man. Oh my god, I gotta break the seal. About time. Holy crap. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful. Come on, let's sell off one more time. I want Bitcoin to sell off to 38.66, and then we can bounce and be kings. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going back to Bitcoin. We're here. We're kings. $5 within. Dude, that's just, if we hit the 618, $5 off, man. That is insane, dude. Like, Bitcoin, give me a break, man. Come on. All right. Anyway, remember the bullish divergence? Well, yeah, man. Looks like your impending price action reversal. Looks like we could break to the upside here, and then kangs the next day. And then it's just like this whole time. We've just been confident in Bitcoin's ability to continue on up, right? Because like everybody's like, it's gonna drop, man. Remember how many idiots we had to like ban? They're like, it's about to crash. It's crashing now. It's like, okay, dude. Like, you don't know anything about this. All right, so we wicked down to the 200 moving average March 14th, and then ran again, bearish divergence, and then sold off. All right, I'll be right back. Gotta pee. Hold it down. While I'm gone. Pray for the RNG gods or something. I don't know. Be right back.
This commercial break brought to you by
Golden Boy. Hey, Sukushi, man.
What's going on, guys?
5K low.
Hello, everybody in live chat. How are you doing tonight?
Pretty good, and you?
Did we look at Ncash again? Mike Lamb, we did not yet. Ray is looking at it. I don't know if you got a good analysis. Oh, Ray was all over it that night. I think he was all into Ncash. What else is out there? Always abandon your babies in the morning under the stars. It's Mitch's favorite. Yeah, it's a nice place for I'm gonna abandon Whisper on your doorstep, Logan. And you're gonna have to take care of him for 4 months. He's just gonna eat you at a house and home, and then be bigger than you, beat you up.
Where is Logan?
He's in chat. I think we have to go to general chat for him to come in.
Man, I gotta say, this is the quietest show ever, man. Everybody's real mellow tonight or something.
Yeah, but Mitch is getting wrecked. I love it. Yeah.
Brad called me out. You know my favorite Vin Diesel quote? Where he talks about double clutching.
What?
You guys know the Vin Diesel quote where he talks about double clutching? It's the cringiest thing in the history of.
Doesn't matter if you chug for a second or a minute. A chug's it.
What's the Vin Diesel? I don't.
What's that? God, I hate those movies. Fast and the Furious.
Oh.
We now return you to your regularly scheduled Lord Ray.
Yeah, I saw one posted. We can easily go to the day that the game's played and do.
Oh, your
Daily.
your mic's off, Mitch.
Sorry, my bad.
The daily price.
Sorry.
Run up, Logan. I'll be in there in 30
Lord
40 minutes.
Ray, excuse me.
Yeah, Logan's coming.
Okay.
You can just do the daily. You know, whatever. Go to what 2 S-Coin teams play that day. Look at the daily percentage from the UTC open to close.
Yeah.
Whoever has a higher daily percentage wins.
Yeah, exactly. And we can do that. But we'd have to do it like by rounds and stuff, like when the official round ends, like from the start to finish.
I'm going for stable coin. Tether.
You going with Tether?
Give me Tether.
Is it even in the bracket?
I got a chance.
Dude, I'm gonna go with like V-Chain or something, dude. God,
BTT.
Oh god, too late for that one.
Who's Albert Cunningham? CRD. Hold on.
Holy crap. What's everyone saying in chat? I don't know. What's up, Jonathan Krause? We love you, man. Hey, dude, hey. Always abandon your babies in the morning under the stars. It's a favorite. Yeah, King Logan. Exactly, dude. Do you look at Incash Connect? I don't know, man. No, I don't think so, dude. I've looked at so many coins today. They're coming out of my ears, dude. All right. S-Coin Wax. Ugh. Wax is even an S-Coin. I can't believe this, dude. Can't tell, man. How you doing, man? What's going on, dude?
I'm just here for the meme.
You ever the meme, dude?
I'm always here late. I don't have any requests or anything. Everything's weird right now, so I'm just waiting.
Waiting for what, dude? Me to get wrecked again or something?
Yeah. Pattern development.
Yeah, we're waiting for pattern development. I guess that's what my stomach's doing. Womp, 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 womp. You know,
The delay with the video is just making me lose my mind. I can't. It's oh man.
Well, now you don't have to have delay. Well, I guess you just have to have me muted on the other side. Yeah, it's okay. No more mute. Whew. Holy crap, man. Alright, so Bitcoin, Kangage, $5 off the entry. I can't believe it, dude. Just 4,060. We had 4,056. And we made this projection March 6th. Oh my god. It's just same type of stuff that happened on the Gartley, dude. Like, right? Same friggin' that we said we were going with the 1414 fib extension. Dude, it was 3,343. We got as low as 3,037, and that was it, dude. I can't believe it, but dude, it's just got to show you, man. It's not fake, right? It's all real, dude. Like, people that TA is fake, man. It's like, okay, have fun believing that, dude. All you want. Surely nothing's a 100% thing, and things fail all the time. But Bitcoin's been very respective of the TA, man, as of late. Oh, audio good still? Jeez, it sounds so loud on myself.
You can make an argument that TA is going to become more well respected as algorithmic bots are programmed to basically respect common indicators.
Not only that, the more influence we can give and educate, you gotta feel like one day, man, it's just like you just compile more and more people that believe in it, learn from it, invest in themselves and see it, and then they all add to their positions at those certain levels to a point where just like, right? And that's like, it's like this massive pump and dump almost, right? But not really. It's like a respective pump and dump. It's like,
well, now you'll see algos get front ran, and like they're teaching their algos, okay, every other algo is buying this fib extension, so you'll see front running, it almost gets there and then turns around, price action reverses. But yeah, I mean, these are, I'll get some finance people around here that are involved in this stuff they all, none of them are, now that's the highest paying job. If you're like a trader or
equity technician,
no, there's a license that you get. It's 2 letters, MT, something like that. I don't know, but it's basically your technical analysis, your fund. It has like a percentage of each.
Yeah, it's like a 3-year thing it takes to get it. I know what you're talking about. Yep.
Yeah, the video Larley showed me, it was like some 16-year-old guy talking about, go long on the U.S. S&P and then go short against another. That's what I was talking about earlier. And, kind of the index
CFA. I mean, there's the CFA. That's like a big deal.
I can pull it up in our chat, but if you have that and then computer programming skills combined, then you're a king, because you can constantly play with programs rather than them having to hire these computer programmers that don't understand that type of language, don't understand really, what to do, how to back test stuff. So you're constantly having to come in, tweak it. So that'll be the new trader, not the ticker tape traders, or there's some old guys, and I have visited some places that are, the desk traders that some of them are looking at price volume. It's nuts what they're, they have a few indicators on, but it's not like overloaded like some of these things I see.
Scary. Close.
Urukanji jellyfish tip $25.
You were close.
Almost got you.
Almost, but just not quite, man. Not quite. Holy crap. Scary stuff, man. Thanks, Urukanji jellyfish, man. For the 2-5, dude. Gangs. Are you spelling it right, dude? Are you spelling Urukanji?
Probably not.
Urukanji? Because if that was the case, then you might have been, because you tipped as Urukanji jellyfish. If it was spelled the same, then it would have made you the session top, right? You're just like, you just guessing or copy pasting? Guessing. It's okay, man. Coinciding variables on the Ericon G's, dude. Hey, the first one worked out. Dude, 4, man. That would be, I think, the most... I can't remember. I think I checked 4 in Atlanta, then took 2 tequila shots, or maybe 3 tequila shots. I can't remember it. What is happening in chat? Albert, man, what are you on right now, dude? Are you on some sort of drug, dude? I just don't understand. Jeff sounds drunk. Are you drunk, Jeff, man?
No, I'm probably a 0.03, Logan.
0.03? That's nothing, dude.
Nothing.
Nothing. Legally able to drive, dude.
Quick. Yep.
What happens if
legally able to drive between the ages of 18 and 20? Too.
What if Emily's water breaks and you're over 0.08? You have to call an Uber?
That or I'm knocking on the neighbor's door.
Yeah.
The neighbor's in on it. Neighbor's good to go.
Okay, good. Y'all coordinated it just in case, right?
Yep. The car's ready. We got keys in the ignition.
Overnight bag, whatever, all that stuff.
Yep. We've got freaking 2 different stroller things, depending upon if he comes out a freaking half-sized human being. No. It's I think we're gonna end up kind of being able to get to pick the date. Is what I guess.
You'll get to pick the date.
Yeah, they're gonna have to induce. She's too big. So I want to go April Fool's Day. It'd be pretty funny.
That'd be hilarious, dude. April 1st, man. Or would it be like you go April 1st and you don't have the baby, and it's like April Fool's, we have the baby, and you have April 2nd or something? I just don't know, man. There are many ways, many angles here. All right, many angles, dude.
When they induce, like you're going in like 2 hours.
Dude, there's like horse piss left. Okay, I drink the horse piss. Ugh. Just got it in now.
Damn it!
Good try, man.
Dude, this is fast.
This is what I had for dinner normal.
This is fast and ripple.
Holy crap, man.
Let's see an analysis of what Mitch
Strollers or
had for dinner.
trollers?
Dude. We're probably the
That
6th
would've
one
been-
right now.
Yeah.
Am I gonna be wearing a Viking hat having a chug or something, dude?
If Emily's family were like, wait, what? It's going on now? All right, we're flying out. Just turn on YouTube.
Wait, what?
If it happened to happen while you were out, like,
Oh, yeah.
they
Yeah, like,
were
I'm
out
live
there
streaming it.
yeah. Like,
Oh, heck yeah.
It's just live streaming.
Yeah, I'd be like, Emily, can you hear me? She might
Tip
shut
25.
up.
Tip $25 or $33.
A
Mitch has
chug
to
of
drink
beer.
a beer, and we all get whatever the injections are.
The
Shots in the back.
injections.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
God, what are the pregnancy drugs? Yeah, I'm forgetting.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think you were the one that gave the injections, dude. For Emily, dude, you gave her the sedative.
She originally said she was like, I think I'm gonna go natural. I was like,
Good
all right.
luck.
I did that during one surgery.
Oh my god, dude. That's
no.
Hopefully she's gonna not. I don't know. I mean, that's up to her, I guess, right? But like, I'm saying, like, for the sake of her pain, we would hope that she wouldn't go natural. Because we wouldn't hurt her not
My
suffer.
mom had a nice conversation with her over Thanksgiving and her parents also discussed that we have a genetic disorder where we all have huge babies, so she's gonna be wrecked.
Oh my god. So, if that's the case, did your mom talk her into having it with medicine?
No, we talked later.
Okay.
She's like, do you have any issues? I'm like, fuck no. I'm like, I'm gonna need some medicine. My hands are gonna be broken.
Yeah, dude. I might just fly out to film it, dude. Okay.
Yeah.
Do a documentary.
I'm gonna wear headgear.
Content, dude.
Just fucking working on bobbing and weaving to make sure she doesn't catch me square in the nose.
Oh my god.
What are we doing? Raven coming in?
Yeah, Raven coin, just like, okay, so we fib from the high to low. We're at the 1618, which is now confluent with the high, major high to low, the 1272, which is at 1253, right? So we have not quite touched that, and we have not quite touched either fib node at this point, but my god, we're above the 1414 from this high point to low point, and that is stupendous. Clearly you're showing bearish divergence, okay, on both oscillators. Really, dude? Really? I'm the most surprised person on the entire planet that we're showing bearish divergence after this kind of stupendous run on a daily time scale. You gotta be kidding me, dude. And we're overbought. We're at 81 and we're overbought right now. Come on, dude.
When's Binance start with leverage?
Oh, is this
I've seen an announcement today. It's coming.
Yeah, I saw it in like a newsletter.
But did they like give a date? Because if they didn't, then that's an announcement of an announcement, right? Strong connect.
Hold on.
Beautiful on Raven though. Congratulations, man. This Jeremy S.'s baby, dude. He was like, falling wedge? He's like, yeah, falling wedge. Kings. Kingdom. Absolutely beautiful, dude. You do gotta love it, man. XRP going down, man, or no? XRP going down and up, dude. It's doing what Bitcoin does. All right. That's right, Mike Lamb. It's unreal, dude. It's beautiful, though. Crypto kingdom. And here's Bitcoin. All right. Cyber. Very happy, dude. Chat, what happened, man? I thought we were friends, dude. I know it's late. 69 likes, man. Let's just keep it at that, I guess, right? Right. Okay. Dude, we've had another good night, man. I mean, besides the chugging, another good night of analysis, of doing things. It's really been fun. We have such a strong core in this community, man, and it's yeah, man, it's a big deal, dude. Huge deal. Very, very, very thankful.
So it's going through testing right now.
Leverage S.
All 482 pairs have the code in them to go, but they're not opened yet. Currently being tested is BNB to USD, but we're dumping a little bit. And then BTC USD, Ethereum USD, whatever C, and then Ethereum to Bitcoin.
Man, leverage S coins indeed. Mike Lamb, sorry to hear that, man.
Yeah.
V-Chain to Thor? Is that even a ticker, y'all? V-Chain to Thor? V-Chain Thor? Is it like VTHR or something?
Thor is the gas of VJ. Yeah,
yeah, but there's a
ticker.
thing, I don't have. I can't remember. Nah, I mean, I don't think it's on like TradingView, VeChain Thor. Sorry. No chance. I don't think. Someone back me up on this. forgot. Oh, dang, dude.
I'm checking. It's THORs.
TH. Oh yeah,
Or
that's not there.
VTHO. But
That was it. Nope, it is not on TradingView. Sorry, man. So, one of our breaks corrected. Sorry. Holy crap, y'all. I don't know, man. I'm like, I've been live now for 2 hours pretty much, so I don't know, man. I'm starting to feel a little fatigued, a little tired, man. I don't know. Chat's kind of, you know. Look, it's like late. It's a weeknight. You know, it happens, man. I understand. Like, if things just die down. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. We just will have Alex Cobb concurrent viewers, right? But until that day, man, I don't know. You just gotta, like, go with it. And it's like, you go with the stream as long as people are talking and people are viewing. But, dude, this is like...
Yeah, you got two choices. You wait for the FOMO, or you put PewDiePie in each title.
Yeah, we were getting so many subs, Kappa, with that. Yeah, that was a bust. It's seeing, man. Yeah, man, I hear you. Yeah. Wait for the FOMO, man.
What was the one that got you? That got there's Phil Centura's Beanie Baby. The Samsung wallet coin.
Engine coin.
Engine.
Yeah,
when you put that in, that brought a man.
Yeah, that was a live stream audible though. That's very rare.
So you got to go with like you got to start like analyzing what countries are awake and what countries are watching at the time. So currently Europe's asleep, so you kind of chill on the European.
So West Coast, Australia.
West Coast, and you got
some Asia.
You got some Asia. They're they're getting off work right now, driving home. So,
what's up, all you Asians out there?
Chinese Ethereum, Chinese.
Let's go to Neo. Oh yeah, Neo was a big bust, right? Last night I did it.
Chinese Ethereum.
I don't know, y'all. I think I might just get out of here, get some sleep and stuff. Try to start again tomorrow and give it another shot, man. Yeah, dude.
Alright, brother.
Yeah.
Alright, brother.
Yeah,
Thanks.
It's been fun, man. Seriously, y'all are incredible. And, man, y'all are really just getting me through this lull time where, like, concurrent viewership just is dropping off. And I'm scrambling, doing everything I possibly can. Put in overdrive, trying to make it work. But, man, I just don't know if I can. But I'm not going to quit. Never. So, thanks, pros, man. Phil. Billy. Rami, Blue. That's it. Thank y'all for the contributions tonight and the chugs. Holy crap, man. Didn't see that coming. But you never really do when it happens. So, alright, y'all. I'm going to log off Discord and then end the stream, alright?
Thanks, man.
Alright, y'all have a good one. Much love. Kangs.
Alright, brother.
Peace. Alright, y'all. So it's been fun. Been a lot of fun. Patreon nights. Guess we call it a success. We've looked at, my God, like 12, 13 assets tonight. So not too bad with all the stuff going on, alright? So, I'll be back tomorrow sometime. Love y'all. Till next time. Respect the TA. Peace.